Hey guys, this weekend was the ToolBoxBuzz annual barbecue, and it's a time where the crew gets together and hangs out without having to wear earplugs, safety glasses, or just run power tools for hours at a time. It's also a time for me and Todd to celebrate the ToolBoxBuzz crew, all their hard work and achievement throughout the past year. And we have an award, a tradition of awarding the ToolBoxBuzz Golden Hammer. And we want to congratulate Scott for winning the Golden Hammer Award. It's our prestigious award, and it basically is the highest achievement bestowed to a crew member that has demonstrated excellence in a multitude of areas, but mostly stepping up and just going above and beyond to help the team ToolBoxBuzz crew in its mission. Also celebrated with Stan Durlacher, Ethan Bickford, and Jeff Dietz for their outstanding achievements and contributions in our head-to-heads. They're the behind-the-scenes guys, and they build the jigs and test all the tools and stuff like that. So they won the 2022 Tool Jig Innovator Award, which was modeled after a mini version of the tool testing rigs that we built. Thank you guys for everything you do.